Today we're going to talk about causes of snoring. Did you know that snoring can be a major relationship killer? In fact, a survey found that 22% of couples reported sleeping in separate bedrooms due to snoring. That's a pretty eye-opening statistic, right? Snoring can have a significant impact on our quality of life. Not only does it disrupt our sleep patterns, but it can also lead to fatigue, irritability, and even depression. So, it's essential that we take snoring seriously and explore ways to address it. One common culprit is nasal congestion. When our nasal passages are blocked, it can cause the airflow to become restricted, leading to vibrations in the throat that produce the snoring sound. Another common cause is obesity. Having excess weight around the neck and throat can narrow the airways, increasing the likelihood of snoring. Additionally, sleep position. Sleeping on your back can cause your tongue and soft palate to relax, obstructing the airflow and leading to snoring. Furthermore, anatomical issues such as a deviated septum or enlarged tonsils can also contribute to snoring. And, of course, there are other factors like sleep apnea, allergies, and certain medications that can also increase the risk of snoring. So, what can we do to treat snoring? One approach is to make lifestyle changes. Losing weight, quitting smoking, and avoiding alcohol can all help to reduce snoring. Medical interventions are also available. One option is a procedure called uvuloplasty, which involves surgery to remove excess tissue in the throat. Another option is a treatment called radiofrequency ablation, which uses heat energy to reduce the size of the soft palate. In terms of the most effective treatments, studies have shown that oral devices and lifestyle changes can be highly effective in reducing snoring. By addressing snoring, we can significantly improve our sleep quality and overall health. So, don't let snoring hold you back. Take control and explore the treatment options that work best for you. Thanks for watching. And I'd love to hear about your own experiences with snoring in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on improving your sleep quality.